Hey YouTube, this is Mark, W7MVP, wanting to go over what an RTL-SDR is. It's basically a dongle that connects your ham antenna to your computer. So I use it on a Raspberry Pi. I kind of fought through it trying to get it figured out how to work it, and turned out it was me doing stuff wrong. But so what this is, it's use a waterfall to know what's going on stations. You type in your station here, or you can move it around. Here we go. So we can see what's happening on stations. You can see the waterfall down here. So you can click on it. I don't have my speaker on. I use headphones, so you can't hear it. And then you can adjust around. You can hear it on my headphones. But one of the neat things, and I just figured this out, you can adjust on your scroll right here. You can see it up there. You can adjust with it. You can widen this band. This is all with the scroll button. I didn't know that. One of the things that was hard to get started on this was the program. Raspberry Pis can be difficult sometimes of trying to figure out what to put in, but kind of give you a heads up on how to do it here. You can go to Preferences and hit Add and Remove Software. And if you'll go in here and type GQRX in, it will bring up these programs. Check here, Software Defined Radio Receiver, GQRX, and hit OK, and it will install it for you. And basically, it will give you this icon here. Chirp I already had. That's for programming radios. I can do something on that if you want later. But it put in all of these programs in it. But GQRX is what we use on this. So you can go through the channels pretty good. Here we go. We got a guy talking probably there. No. I've got my this little rubber duck on it. Usually what I'll do is I'll unhook from up here. This is my dipole. This is my 6-foot beam up here, and I'll just wire it straight into there. I just didn't think about doing it. And you can get some conversations going here, but it's as easy as just going over to this signal here, moving into it. You can click down here on it and move it around. See, something's going on there. But it's pretty neat. It's fun to mess with. It's easy and one of the things I like about it is when you're sitting on your radio and trying to figure out what's going on, if anybody's talking on it, this is the way you can watch the waterfalls and find conversations, or who's active on it. I don't hear anything on it, but so the dongle, if you look on Amazon, it has kits that has cables, it has small antennas and everything. I think the biggest package on that, you're going to pay $30, and that's all you need. Beside that one even comes with an antenna. So basically, what you're going to do, slide it in your USB. If you go to RTL-SDR.com, it will have for Windows. You can go click on it, load all the programs in it. It's really simple. I have it on my Windows computer in the house. It's really easy. You can have this at your office. You don't need your ham license for it. You can't talk on it. It's just for listening. So if you're interested in ham and want to know what's going on, this is a cheap way to get an introduction into it and see if you want to continue with it. I wish I had this on my big antenna. We could hear some conversations going on. But anything. Raspberry's getting hot. This is a Raspberry 4. It gets hot pretty easily when you're running this, but it's what, 80 degrees Celsius, not too bad. I'm gonna get a fan and put on it just to blow air on it. But yeah, that's it. If you got any questions, comments, or anything, see that something I'm doing wrong or I can do better, please send me a comment, because I'm here to learn and pass on information to you guys as well. I appreciate it. See you guys later. 73s, W7 MVP. This is Mark signing off. I'll catch y'all later.